Yo guys, Sashiriyakal, Namaste and what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing well and all you guys having amazing day so far. So I'm back with brand new video regarding Gods of Boom, and in this video I will compare the best shotgun, I can say, the Exorcist, which came out in the Halloween event. But before we start the video, I just want to thank my two friends who helped me a lot to make this video. First, as usual, Hulk, and second, this time Groot from Avengers movie, not from Avengers movie, from New Clan, just kidding. So these two guys helped me a lot to make this video possible, so thanks guys. And now let's move on towards the video. So first of all, I just also forget to thanks Gods of Boom guys who gave me this weapon to review, so thanks a lot guys. So now let's talk about this gun. Now first of all, I just used this loadout to make all the to do all the tests which I done. So I used that, and I used Darkstalker, Panther, and so this kind of stuff I use for the test. First I will talk about the damage of this gun. On a head, the maximum damage which I got with Darkstalker is 4816, and on a body the maximum damage I got so far with or without Darkstalker, you can say 4050 I got the body shot damage when I hit all the shots, and this is the maximum damage I'm talking about. So this is the damage, and now I will talk about the gun. So as you guys know that this gun has 3 perks. One is charge up before it shoots, second is burst shot, and third one is that damage will stack after every shot if you land on enemy. So perk wise this gun is okay, but the downside of, first I will talk about the downside of this gun. First downside is it has low ammo. It's need bit more ammo. First downside is less ammo. Second downside, I can say, it's hard to play with this gun. You need a bit skills to play with this gun. Like it's bit hard to use, but if you able to control this gun, then it's absolutely beast. And the third downside, I can say, it's bit hard to use knife with this gun. So these three, I can say, the downsides of this gun, but other than that it's absolutely beast gun, and I just highly recommend you guys to unlock it or max it, because it's gonna be a good gun, I believe. And now you can see all the tests I done, and I done against every gun, and it almost dominated every weapon. So you will see what the result in the end I will get when I will compare this gun with every shotgun. And the only thing, if I have to sum up the review in one line, then I can say, if you miss any shot with this gun, then you dead. But if you able to land every shot, then every gun will be dead, or every opponent will be dead. Because if you able to land every shot, then this gun can beat any gun. But if you miss any shot, then you are dead. So then this gun will lost against top guns. So this is the one line review. So I hope you guys will enjoy today's video, and if you do, make sure to leave a like on this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and turn that notification bell on, and enjoy the rest of the video. And I will catch you in the next video. So stay safe guys, and enjoy your life.
Merciless. Merciless.
Whenever your heart is broken,
Merciless.
don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you
Merciless.
you're told. I'll be your
Merciless. Incredible. Merciless. Merciless. Merciless.
Down, down. I will find a light in your soul. I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest. Even when you're out of focus, I will be
Merciless.
your secret.
Merciless. Elimination.
I'll be your heart temptation. 'Cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration. 'Cause I know that you'll do
Merciless. First strike.
I'll be your heart temptation.
You rock.
You'll make it on your own.
Nice.
Wow. Yeah, yeah. On your own.
Merciless. Merciless. Merciless.
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।